The ABCs of Print on Demand, your ultimate A to C guide for mastering POD. Let's go. A is for audience first. Before you start designing, you need to know who you're designing for. A niche-focused audience buys more than a general one. B, branding matters. A strong, recognizable brand will help you stand out from your competition. C, customized designs, they sell the best. D, diversify your products. Don't just settle for t-shirts. Try wall art, calendars, or even embroidered hats. E, Etsy SEO is key. You want to make sure that you are using searchable keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. F, fulfillment speed matters. Faster shipping equals happier customers. With Gelato's local production model, they help you get your products to your customers super fast, meaning more 5-star reviews for you. G, Gelato is a game changer. Gelato offers high-quality wall art, photo books, and premium print products to help you stand out. H, high-quality mock-ups. Great product images increase your conversions. With the help of Gelato's Mock-up Studio, you're able to create realistic mock-ups to help better sell your products. I, invest in some marketing. Organic reach is great, but ads plus social media can really skyrocket your brand's reach and sales. J, join POD communities. I have my own. It's the POD Rebels group, and I would love to see you on the inside to answer any of your questions that you might have about getting started with print on demand. K, you want to keep an eye on trends. Seasonal products and trending aesthetics can boost your shop's visibility, especially on places like Etsy. L, leverage social media. Use Pinterest, TikTok, or even Instagram to drive traffic to your shop and build brand awareness. M, margins matter. Do not underprice your products. You want to be factoring in production costs, platform fees, and, if necessary, ad spend. N, niches win over generalized stores. Think of something specific for your ideal target audience. What are they going to be emotionally connected to? I promise you, it's more than a t-shirt. O, you want to optimize for mobile viewing. A lot of people are searching your shop on their phone, so you want to make sure it looks amazing on a mobile device. P, you want to print samples before launching them on your shop. Luckily, when you open a new Gelato account, you get 50% off your first sample order. Q, quality over quantity. A few highly designed pieces are going to sell way better than 100 mediocre products. R, reviews build trust. Encourage your shoppers to leave you reviews to help you boost your brand's visibility and build trust with future customers. S, seasonal products sell. Think holidays or seasonal trends. It's a way to kind of branch out and offer different design aesthetics to your niche while still keeping trendy with holidays or maybe special events. T, test and improve. Not every design is going to be a bestseller. So go through, see what's doing well, refine it, and then try again. U, upsell and bundle on matching sets to increase your overall product value and final sale. Think wall art sets or maybe matching hoodies that you sell together in a pair. V, visibility is everything. Run Etsy ads, optimize your SEO, utilize social media. You want to be doing it all, so you make sure that people, your ideal customers, are actually seeing your shop and your products. W, wall art is hot. Think prints, framed canvases, posters. Luckily, you can do all of this with Gelato, and they are super high quality. X Factor products win. Think customized with names or personalized with pictures. Luckily, with Gelato's personalization studio, you can automate this process directly on your Etsy or Shopify website. Why? YouTube tutorials. Sometimes they're going to be your best friend, like my channel, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to start a successful print-on-demand business. I have it linked in my bio. You can subscribe to my channel. Z. Zero excuses. The best time to start print-on-demand was yesterday. The next best time is right now. What are you waiting for? If you're looking to get started with Gelato for print-on-demand, I have that 50% off your first sample coupon linked in my bio.